Problems being faced by nurses and medical staff during this COVID 19 pandemic are we spend a lot of time up close with the patient doing high risk activities such as delivering meals and medical supplies, daily routine checkups, cleaning, etc. If we and medical staff starts coming in contact with novel coronavirus in high numbers while engaging with patients, it can hamper the medical system. During this major disaster and outbreak, we have massive patient surges that affects the medical system, so we need as many healthcare worker as possible. We doctors have to do routine checkup more frequently than ever before. It creates more physical stress and reduces our efficiency. Due to lack of sufficient number of PPE among health workers is putting their life at risk.
Benefits after implementing NAR. I will help the medical staff in delivery of food and medical supplies to COVID-19 patients. It can reduce the use of PPEs, hence can become the alternative of insufficiency of PPEs. I can be used as a medium of interaction between the doctors and the patient for their daily checkups. I will take the dustbin out containing bio-waste inside high-density polythene packs where cleaning staff can easily recover that pack and decompose it at a safer place. NAIR will be based on concept of holonomic drive using four high-performing DC planetary geared motor coupled with roller type omni wheels. This type of drive is best for the hospital use as it can move in 8 different directions very easily and can be suitably controlled in tight space. In NAIR, there will be three levels of racks for transferring various kind of essential materials like medicine and food supply to COVID-19 infected patients with the minimum workforce. The NAIR will also have a system to grab dust when placed in patient's room using two cloths, which are attached to high torque low RPM DC motor shaft with the help of lead screw. Apart from all other features, NAR also contains an advanced communication feature. Through this system, all the useful information can be transferred from doctor to patient and patient to doctor. Doctor will also be able to have live interaction using camera and LCD with patient. NAR will also have infrared thermometer through which doctor can take the reading of infected patient's body temperature and this information will be automatically updated to the server. Sanitization of NAR using UV Type C exposure in UV chamber.